I'm Joey, and this is smoked bacon. It's so good, it's gonna change your life. Follow me, and let's turn up the tasty. This bacon is super easy to make. It's not fast, but it's worth the wait. First, we begin with, well, you guessed it, bacon. But what I used for smoking bacon is I always go with thick cut bacon. Then I just have a rack like this. You can use another wire rack of your preference. Just something to keep the grill grates nice and clean on the smoker. And this allows for easy transport on and off the smoker as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and line this up. Now, one thing you can do to turn up the tasty right at home is add some additional seasonings and spices to your bacon. You could go with like a mango honey glaze as well. There's a lot of different options. We're keeping it super simple for right now, just to show you guys the basics, but just know there's a lot of different ways to create like candied bacon and different flavor profiles. Okay, there we go, guys. We got the whole 1 pound of bacon right here on this wire rack. Now, let's get it on the smoker. All right, so we have our smoker fired up at 200 degrees. That's the lowest setting available on this smoker. You want to let this bacon go low and slow for about 2 hours. That will allow it to absorb as much smoke flavor as possible. At the end of the 2 hours, we're going to crank up the heat to promote that nice crispy bacon. So before I throw this on, I just want to mention one thing. Pellet zone hotspots. That's right, all pellet grills, smokers have these hotspots. One of them is right over here because there's a hot plate right below this grill, and basically it pushes the heat all the way up and then it circulates back and out over here. So when I put the bacon down, I want to put it as far away from that hot zone as I can. There's a burner beneath that hot plate. You want to keep it in the middle. You don't want it too close to the front because that's a hot zone. You don't want it too close to the back because that's a hot zone. That's going to cook your bacon unevenly. The other thing I'm going to do is about halfway through this cook, about 1 hour in, I'm going to go ahead and turn it around because, as I said, this side is hotter. So we want to promote nice, even cooking. But for now, I'll stop with all the blah, blah, blah. I'm going to grab a beer and wait for this tasty bacon. All right, guys, this bacon has been smoking at 200 degrees for 2 hours. Let's take a look. Now, as you can see from how I put this on, I rotated the basket about an hour ago for more even smoking. Take a look at this right here. It's coming along very nicely. Now, that still has more bend than I would personally like. So at this stage, it's gotten all the smoke flavor it's going to get. Let's crank it on up to 350 degrees. And from here, we're just gonna watch it closely until it gets to that desired color and texture I'm looking for, which is a little bit of chew, a little bit of crisp. While we're waiting for that to reach the desired texture, I just want to take a moment and thank my friends at INTOTHEAM for sending me this really comfortable gear. If you want to check it out for yourself, we've included a link in the description below. All right, so it's been 5 minutes since I turned up the temperature to 350 degrees. And guys, I think the stuff is done. That has a really nice bend. We can see that grease really bubbling up on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this from the smoker now. And then my favorite part, test the results. All right, look at the color on this. It looks absolutely amazing. You just don't see this when you cook it on the stovetop. It has that nice kind of texture that I'm looking for where we get a little bit of bend to it. Look, we're bending right there. It's not breaking. Now it's time for my absolute favorite part. If you've seen my videos before, you already know what that is. It's the taste test. Man, this is some seriously good bacon. I'm talking next level. What makes it next level? First of all, the thing I'm hit with is that smoky goodness that's been picked up from 2 hours low and slow on that smoker. But what really sets it apart is the fat. You've heard me say it so many times before, the fat is where it's at. That's where bacon, beef, meat in general gets its flavor from. But one thing I don't like about traditional bacon is the fat that you can't chew. It becomes like a piece of gum in your mouth. We've all had that experience at a restaurant where you pick it up, that napkin to politely spit it out because you just can't chew it. That's not the case with smoked bacon. What makes it really different is that this fat melts right in your mouth. Wow, guys, I'm not making it up. I don't think I can go back to having bacon any other way. I can't deny it's a long cook time. 2 hours, a lot of time for bacon. But isn't perfection worth the time? Consider that. Try this for yourself. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Look, I got some eggs to make and some bacon to eat. I'll see you guys next vid.